Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video in reference to another video I made about cleaning the intake manifold, or the EGR, disassembled. As I say, you always have to clean them disassembled. If you clean it mounted, three things can happen. First, that you use a cleaner that is useless, things as they are. Then there are others that do work, they do something, but of course what they do is clean part of the dirt, but that part of the dirt usually ends up depositing on the cylinder head, and there it tends to obstruct the valves. It tends to concentrate, let's say, against valve seats. And then there is the third option, which can happen if you use a good one. There are some that are very good. What happens is that they should always be used with the collector and the EGR disassembled as well, because what they do is that they dissolve dirt quickly, but the problem is that with the engine started, turned on, if it is not clean disassembled, the engine could be and enter into self-combustion, and if the car is automatic, because the engine brakes. If it is a manual car, you can try to sink it, but of course, if it catches you by surprise or you don't know what to do to put it in and how to get it, well, the car is going to continue running, turned upside down. And the engine, injectors or whatever it catches can start. What you see here, that is oil. They are oils that are released when combustion occurs, or part of those gases still have vapors of oil. Those oil vapors then end up solidifying, creating this and obstructing. Let's see. I have seen them much worse. Well, there you see an example that you do not want all this crap to get into the cylinder that goes to the cylinder head and the cylinder head to the cylinder. Okay, that's why here I put those examples. That's why I always say that if you are going to do it, always disassemble it. Well, here is the video. If it has been served, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.